Hello, everybody. Yesterday, Rebecca Paul MP bravely asked in the House of Commons what they're going to do, what they think they're doing with this experiment on children, this vicious puberty blockers experiment, which is going to cause devastation in its wake. And this is the response from Wes Streeting. Let's just take a minute to watch it.
Most young people referred to gender identity services as same-sex attracted, neurodiverse and or traumatised. Looked after children are also overrepresented in this cohort. Is the Secretary of State really comfortable with the children being given puberty blockers, essentially chemically neutering them for the purposes of the Pathways clinical trial?
Mr. Speaker, within days of taking office, I upheld the judgment made by my predecessor. We do need to tread carefully and sensitively in this space. We do need to take an evidence-based approach to trans healthcare in our country, and that's the approach this government will take.
It's quite extraordinary. Rebecca asks a very clear question and does so, as I've said before, bravely. My problem I've got is with Wes Streeting saying we take an evidence-based approach. If you take an evidence-based approach, Wes, why are you referring to trans healthcare? There is no such thing. I have real problems with this, but I'm going to wait and see what you have to say. This puberty blocker nonsense, this trial, needs to end. It needs to not take place at all. Because what we're going to see is the damage of children on the altar of gender identity ideology, which this government will still not condemn with stentorian voices. And I imagine never will. The left, ladies and gentlemen. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.